In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple way on how to get a physician for your medical exam for any Canada application that will be needing a medical exam. As you can see here, it says find a panel physician. Find a doctor you may visit in your country, territory, or region for your immigration medical exam. Only panel physicians approved by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada can do this exam. So as you can see on my screen, I have the demo for Nigeria. So same process, a two-step method. You choose your country or territory. Let's say here, Nigeria, you type your country. If you're someone else from a different country, do the same thing. Choose your country and you go. Once you click on that, as you can see, it says the following panel physicians are available in your country, ordered by city. So if you're someone living in Abuja in Nigeria, this is where you're going to get your medical exam done. If you're someone living in Lagos, there are 3 locations. So unfortunately for people in Nigeria living in different places, you will have to go to Lagos to get your medical exam done in Lagos and Abuja, right? And this is also a simple way to get an immigration as an approved physician in your country to perform a medical exam for your immigration needs, right? So if you have any questions, drop it in the description area below and I will attend to that. Thank you guys for watching and bye for now.